Welcome to whynew.in. Let us go through the specifications of HP Zbook G3. It is powered by 2.60 GHz Intel Core i7-6700HQ up to 3.50 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. This processor comes with integrated Intel HD Graphics 530 and NVIDIA Quadro M1000M with 2 GB dedicated GDDR5 video memory. It also comes with 16 GB RAM, which is also upgradable up to 64 GB in all 4 slots. It has inbuilt M.2 SATA SSD of 256 GB, which can be upgradable up to 512 GB. It has NVMe PCIe SSD slot support up to 1 TB, and it has 2.5 in storage bay support up to 1 TB SATA HDD. It has 15.6 in diagonal LED backlit FHD and built-in 720p webcam and microphone. 46Wh internal battery supplies power to this laptop, which can run up to 3 hours. This laptop comes with Windows 10 operating system, which can upgradable to Windows 11. Comes to connectivity, it has both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. HP Zbook G3 has all essential ports. 3 USB 3.0 port, 2 USB Type-C port, 1 HDMI port, 1 SD card, 1 RJ45 port, 1 VGA port, 1 3.5mm headphone jack. Overall, this laptop is compact, durable, and a good performer for office professionals and designers. Why choose whynew.in? For good-looking laptops. For quality-tested laptops. For personalized support. For warranty upgradation option. Kindly contact to buy this laptop at whynew.in. Whynew, buy like new.